Have you ever stopped to wonder? What would happen if we poured all of Earth's oceans directly into the sun? Sounds like pure science fiction, right? But this wild, hypothetical experiment raises questions that go way beyond curiosity. Are we even remotely prepared to face the consequences of tampering with the most powerful force in our solar system? Now, while you're sipping water, picture this: that same water essential for photosynthesis, for driving the water cycle, for feeding the phytoplankton that supports all life, could, under extreme conditions, become the spark for an irreversible environmental collapse. If you're into scientific curiosities, buckle up. What you're about to hear might just launch your thoughts out of Earth's orbit. The sun. That glowing inferno in the sky? It's no ordinary star. At its core, temperatures soar to about 15 million degrees Celsius, fueling an unstoppable nuclear fusion engine. To put it into perspective, the sun releases more energy every second than all of humanity has ever used since the discovery of fire. Even from 150 million kilometers away, we feel its power. The surface burns at around 5,500 degrees Celsius, and even that's modest compared to the raging core within. Here's a mind-bending fact: from space, the sun isn't yellow. It shines a brilliant white untouched by Earth's atmosphere. Crazy, right? But we're only getting started. Now imagine this: you grab an icy glass of water and launch it straight at the sun. Would you hear that dramatic tsh like in the movies? Not even close. The heat is so extreme, so unforgiving, the water wouldn't even have time to sizzle. In less than a blink, it disintegrates, splitting into hydrogen and oxygen. Instantly. No steam. No sound. Just gone. Those freed elements? They don't vanish. They become fuel for the fusion. Like tossing a log into a cosmic bonfire. One blast becomes a spark. But an entire ocean? Let's scale it back. What if we tried transporting water, say, from the Caspian Sea to the sun using trucks? Or maybe rockets? Spoiler alert, it would be a logistical nightmare. We'd need trillions of trips, assuming trucks could even survive deep space. They can't. Even with today's best space tech, the plan is wildly impossible. And the sun? Wouldn't even flinch. It would swallow it all like a single drop, in a cosmic firestorm. Let's go full sci-fi. Imagine we teleport all of Earth's water, oceans, rivers, lakes, glaciers, even vapor in the air, directly into the sun. That's 1.386 billion cubic kilometers. The result? Instant evaporation. Immediate absorption. Zero effect on the sun. If anything, it might just get hungrier. But here on Earth, that's where the real chaos begins. No water. No clouds. No rain. No cycle. No life. Our once blue planet becomes a cracked, scorched, lifeless desert, silent and drifting through space. And that's only the beginning. Without water, everything collapses. Plants stop photosynthesizing. Phytoplankton, our invisible oceanic heroes, vanish. Oxygen plummets. The air thins. Temperatures skyrocket. Even breathing becomes a struggle. The food chain crumbles, from the ocean floor to the treetops. Maybe a few shelters or frozen corners of Antarctica would offer refuge, temporarily. But even they'd fail. No water. No life. And still, some say, it's just H2O. Here's the twist: throwing water at the sun doesn't cool it down. It powers it up. Water's packed with hydrogen, the sun's favorite fuel. Feeding it water? We're fueling the beast. Fusion speeds up. Heat spikes. And in a worst-case scenario, a premature supernova. Maybe even a black hole. And to think, it all started with water. In truth, the The sun already has its fate mapped out. In about 5 billion years, it'll become a red giant swallowing nearby planets, then collapsing into a white dwarf. That's the natural life cycle of stars. And black dwarfs? They don't exist yet. The universe is still too young. Fun fact to close, on Mars, sunsets are blue. And in space? No sound. Just silence. Total silence, as stars are born and stars die. So, after imagining Earth's oceans dumped into the sun, has your view changed? Do we truly value the water we have, the planet we live on, and the miracle of simply being alive? If this sparked wonder, awe, or just curiosity, then this is your place. Subscribe. Hit the bell. And join us as we explore the edge of science, the vastness of space, and the wilds of imagination. Because here, knowledge is only the beginning.